going to be opening up and taking a look at a board game here. I believe it's been released within the past year, called Euphoria, Build a Better Dystopia, by Jamie Stegmaier and Alan Stone. It is produced by, I'm not familiar with that logo, Stonemaier Games. You see, it's kind of a Euro style game, I do believe. You have the board where you place all your different tokens to pick up abilities and take different actions. I'm not sure if this was a Kickstarter made game or not. There's a couple of podcasts I heard about it from, and I believe the Dice Tower, I saw it on there too, maybe. There's some different wooden tokens here. You got some lightning bolts, some diamonds that look like little fish, maybe. You have some little heads here, some water drops, and these look like little clouds. You have some hearts. You have a bunch of different dice here. I believe you roll these for your actions, I'm not positive. You get a bunch of baggies and rubber bands. Looks like we have some other tokens here that look like maybe some gold brick tokens. They're shaped like a gold brick. You have some little oval-shaped gray tokens and some rectangular shaped red tokens. We're going to get a couple of packs of cards here. Open up and go through those in a minute. Let's take a look through the rule book here real quick. So you get kind of a little fluff, couple of paragraphs there. You get an explanation of what you're looking to achieve. Looks like you get a sample setup of the board. Get an explanation of these tokens. So it was gold, stone, and clay that were these. Looks like this is food. This is bliss. You got energy and water. And then looks like we have a few little meeples here, and then we have the diamonds. I'm not exactly sure what those are. Look through and see if I can see. You've got three little worker meeples, looks like, and some diamond tokens. I'm not sure what those are supposed to represent. Looks like the hearts are morale. So there's probably a morale chart that these go on. And this looks like it's knowledge. And that's probably a knowledge token it goes on. The diamonds look like they are progress tokens for a different chart on the board. You can see there's a little track on the board and they keep progress of that. And in the miners, there's like a mine track there. I guess the miners go on that. Let's see, we're going to have 3 sheets of tokens here. So it looks like there's a colored little chart, 1x, 2x, 3x square block for each colored player that could possibly play. This is for 2 to 6 players. So those are the different player colors. Looks like there's some star markers to use for each of the different players. We have an unavailable space token, so I guess if a token's not available. Unavailable territories, so maybe they either become unavailable during the game, or maybe depending on how many players are there, how many spaces are available. These look like they are some sort of buildings that you can have. They look like maybe they give you different abilities when you put your people in them or get access to them. So you can see they got some different resources at the top and some limitations at the bottom. So there's a bunch of those. So it looks like 6 on each sheet. So you get 18 of those. And on the back they're all have the same backing, so it looks like maybe you can they're randomly drawn during the game. So let's look at the tokens. You can see it gives a name, some different resources, some limitations or bonuses at the bottom, I guess. We have the main board itself, which looks to be a large board. It's a 4-panel board, but they look to be very large. So you can see you have maximum hand size, a bunch of different tracks. These look like places where those building cards can go. A mine track, an allegiance track. These look like maybe some other things can go on them. Some different action, lots of different action spaces on the board. Very busy board. And these are your worker dice that you get, and they have different symbols on them. And I'm sure say what you can actually do with them. But continuing to look through the rule book here, you have the players set up. You get a gameplay overview, worker placement, how the turn rotates, the morale and knowledge chart, an explanation of the location, the commodities, the allegiance track, the tunnels where the mines are, the different construction sites where those buildings can be put on, artifact markets, it's another one of the locations, markets, you have Icarus, which is the locations that were at the top of the board, some notes on recruits, you have ethical dilemma cards, and then how the game ends, some advanced variants, and you need a little backstory and a thanks to, so no quick reference chart on the back. So we'll look at some of these cards, and then that should be able to wrap it up on this one. So we have the ones with the compass on the back. Well, it looked like a compass. EWIS, I'm not sure. So one pack has all those cards. And it looks like it's going to be the unique recruit cards. So I guess these are different people you can get to help you during the game. I don't know if they're one-time use or they count for you. You can see they have different things that they bring into the game. There's 48 of these. They're different color coded. I'm not sure how that restricts you. And then you have another pack of cards. Looks like we may have a quick reference card here. These are ethical dilemma cards. So it looks like they give you different things that you can do. And you can see the bonus that will happen. Looks like you have a good thing and or a bad thing that you can do. And then you're going to get a bunch of artifact cards, and they have this little shaped back on them. So they look to be either a book, some glasses, some sort of box there, I'm not sure what that is, a teddy bear, balloons, a baseball bat. So maybe some different little treasures in a dystopia that you can use to do certain things. But that's a look at what comes in the Euphoria Building a Better Dystopia board game.